Hello guys, I would like to share my video. My granddaughter Badat, she's going to sleep.
After I feed her, she's
That's
going
her
to sleep.
swing. And don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to my vlog. Hello guys, look. I'm watching my granddaughter Badat, and I put here her new play pan so she can lying down and playing her games. Here we are. Here's Badat. I put here the play pan so she can. Sometimes the dog. The dog always like running around, so we don't want her to hit the dog. So her mom bought her bedpan so she can play around, so she can turn over. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi. Clap your feet. Clap your feet. Clap your feet. Clap your feet. Yeah. She having a cold. The food is, I love you. Yeah. Peekaboo. It is. Biag. Wajia, wajia. No. Day. Two. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. La. We're gonna play there. Hi, Dad. Yeah. Boo. Buah. Dad. Ha. Oi. Oi. Hold it. Dad. Hey. Yo. And this is my yo-yo, my dog yo-yo. Come here, yo. Hi, yo. Speak. Yo, speak. Son. Speak. Speak. She can. She can't. She can't. Nah. She can't, yeah? This is my dog, Yo-Yo. When she skips, she drives you crazy. Ano si Badat ni? And then this Badat swing. But we put in here there so she can. And when I get her, we can open this one here. So to get her, see? And on the other side there, you can she get out there too. Did it! Hi, it! Hi, Badat! Oh. Oh. Hey, peekaboo! Peekaboo that! Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for new updates, the comments. And thank you. Advance Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all. Kabalo na ginamulingkod ang bata. Kabalo na ginamulingkod, everyone. Uy, siga-siga gini. Kabalo na, tagal yun. Ay, tagal na.
She knows how to sit down by herself now. I'm so proud.
Ay, filter.
Ay, she's so cute though. Perfect. Look at the butterfly. She knows
Look
she's
at the si Bata Nay.
She knows she's the
Hello,
star.
guys. Look at the Badat.
She knows she's
Look at the very long time she doesn't fall. Now dalaga na. Uy, kabalo na siya mo balance. Sino sa to balance? Di pa gani ka kabalo mo lingkod mo kamang baka mo diretso na kablakaw, ha? Uy. Mo diretso na kalakaw din.
She doesn't.
Padala na sa kay grandpa. Go. Go. Wa. Uy, yabang mo, ha? Yabang ka Badat, oh.
Hey, your baby, so cute.
Si mo, look at her hands, oh, na. Balancing na na. No, her hands. Look at her hands.
Look at this child, huh?
Look at her hands.
You see him? He knows because he got made.